Hey guys, it's your favorite hot mess and my room's a mess. But today I am coming at you with the big, juicy haul. Let's see what I got. Everything was $1. So I got this coat. It's originally from Nordstrom. It had a tag still on it and it's really long. Oh yeah. Now let's see how I would style this. So here I have on some basics. This is an express top with an H&M basic skirt. And if you put on the red jacket, having a pop of color is so suave. You can't go wrong with that. Oh, love this. This is sexy as f. I got a blazer that's blue. It's like a periwinkle. I'm gonna slip this on. There you go. You got two outfits out of just your two basics. And you can throw on some badass heels or some thigh-high boots and boom. You can even put on a little fedora, like some long necklace. And you're swagging like a station wagon. Okay, so basically, this is just a tank top and some ripped jeans. Once you add this, it makes it foxy. Look at this. The outfit just went from like a 5 to a solid 9. Now he needs the shoes instead of my cheap ass socks that don't even match. Okay, so we have a simple bralette, and then all you gotta do is put on the blazer. And the effect is like a cat with a laser. Yes. So that's really sexy, and then you can put it with a pair of boots like this, and it makes it super chic. From cheek to cheek. So this might seem like a normal outfit, right? You know, you just got like a bralette and, you know, these pants, right? So what I did is I put them with these, and you can dress it up if you put on a black blazer. I thrifted this actually from the same store like months ago. So if that counts, you know, it counts. If you want to add a little bit more vogueness, sort of, you can kind of like just put them together like this, so it looks like kind of like a jumpsuit. And then you got your white booties. Ah, fabulous. This is like a really oversized kind of shirt, but it's got the slits on the side. So you can either wear like a high-waisted white pant, or you can wear like a high-waisted black pant. You could tie this, and you could just kind of like, you know, do that. And then wear it with these kind of white things. You can wear like thigh-high boots. You see what I'm saying? Like, this is from the 80s. Oh, yes. This dress is really cute. It's like very simple and it's got a lot of charisma. And it looks really cool with these boots too. You could also dress it down if you're going to the pool. You can wear it with like some gladiators and a pair of black heels. And if you're going out to dinner and you want to wear this dress, add a black blazer. It'll make everything super delicious and flow together. If you wanted to make it tighter, you can always kind of alter it and make it tight like a club dress, and then you can go out on the town. It's all about what you want to do, but I kind of like it like this because it's cute. It's giving me like Taylor Swift vibes. Now this is a really cute swimsuit. It's kind of like giving me like Dior vibes. I mean, of course I need to work out my ass more, but I love this. It's so cute. Just gotta make this strap a little bit tighter. That's the only thing. It's just a little bit low for me. I'm so flat-chested. But if you wanted to wear this out to like a club, you can wear it with some jeans. It could be a bodysuit. So. Just saying. So then I grabbed this really cute black shirt, and then I found these really flowy black pants. They're so nice. And if you wanted to, you could easily just kind of like hand sew, like, you know, around here and tack them up a bit so they can be shorter. I think they're cuter shorter because then you can see like the tops of your boots or your heels, and it makes you look instantly taller. Not bad for a $2 outfit. Ha ha ha. I don't even have to wear a bra. Now this is that same black shirt. I just wore it off the shoulder. And then I paired it with these magenta pants. And they have pockets. They're so cute. And very posh. You would never believe I got this outfit for $2 also. The last thing I got is this Guess oversized tee. I tucked it in. And I just paired it with these beautiful like striped flowy pants. My white booties, of course. And to finish it off, add a blazer and a pair of your most rockin' shades and show the world what you're made of. Well, my beautiful smelling humans, it is the end of the video. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see some more of these shenanigans. I'm going to post a new video every single week, and I look forward to building the family of hot mess swag. I will smell you all later, and I hope you have the most ravishing day filled with paper bag confetti swagtasticness.